So if you didn't know already, Chevy LUVs are known for leaking at the windshield wiper posts. Right in this area here, there's a rubber seal that goes bad. I don't know if you can see the cracks very well, but it's all cracked out, and there is no replacement for that seal. And it also tends to leak right around this area sometimes. Water can get down behind there and it just goes down this tube and drips into the cab, and that's how you get, one of the ways you get a rusty floorboard. So what you need to do is prevent water from going in this area. And what I've done is developed a little weatherization kit that's going to do just that. The kit includes 2 butyl sealant rope strips, 2 rubber covers, and 2 of these top cap grommets. It'll be the final cap. So first you need to give it a good scrub. I'm just using soap and water here, scrubbing away all the dirt. You want to make sure this is clean and dry before you apply the butyl rope. First you take your butyl rope, I just break it off in chunks and stuff it around there. Just kind of smash it into both sides. You want to make sure all areas are covered, so you just work it around, pressing it in place. Flatten out the edges around the perimeter of it. Kind of smooth them out. Same around the post. That looks really good. That'd probably be enough for a long time, but we want to protect it with the rubber cover now. The cover has a flat spot. On the driver's side, the flat spot goes towards the window. On the passenger side, you'll see that it goes along with the body line. Start at the bottom, stretch it over the post, get a little scraper and push it down in place all the way around. So now water definitely won't be able to fall in on top of that old rubber grommet, and this will help prevent water from getting inside the cab. Also, this little rubber top cap will help keep water from going inside that windshield wiper post. There it is. That's perfect. Looks nice. And it's going to help keep the inside of your cab dry. That's that. It's the windshield wiper assembly weatherization kit. It's that simple. And you can get that kit at StanixGarage.com and a whole lot more. Check it out. And thanks for tuning in. Till next time.